you. Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new, my name is Lizette. Hi. And if you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let us get into this review of the Colorcl Siesta Halo Amber, Colorcl Siesta Halo Green, and Colorcl Siesta Halo Sky contact lenses. Keep on watching. So I'm sure you all know about Colorcl by now. I have reviewed plenty of their lenses here on my channel. If you are new, I will link some of the reviews that I've done on previous lenses in the cards up above and in the description box down below. I have a whole playlist dedicated to Colorcl, so make sure you check those videos out if you want to know about any of the other contact lenses that I've reviewed and worn before. This review is going to be on the Halo line. I was always interested in it and I was dying to try the Halo Amber, the Halo Green, and the Halo Sky. So those were the ones that I got. I'm going to show you, as I usually do, the contact lenses straight through, and if you want a review on any in particular, just let me know in the comment section down below and I will have no problem getting a review out for you. I have a few more lenses to get through with Colorcl and a few other companies, so I will have more color contact content coming for you, as well as mixing it up with a few other videos as well. So now let me show you their website. I'm sure you know what their website looks like by now. It looks like this. And of course I have a discount code with them. I will put it up on the screen right here. It gives you 10% off your order and it gives me a small commission and it helps me stay on their affiliate program list so I can continue to receive contacts and review them for you. And here are the specs for all of the lenses. Pretty much all of them have the same specs. And now let us get into what the colors look like. I will also let you know my favorites and go into them individually throughout the video. And for the giveaway, I will also let you all know who are the giveaway winners at the end of this video. So keep on watching. So the first is the Colorcl Siesta Halo Amber. Here is how those contacts look. The next is the Colorcl Siesta Halo Green. And last but not least, the Colorcl Siesta Halo Sky colored contact lenses. Let me know in the comment section down below which one was your favorite. I put them in order of the ones that I like the most and the ones that I like the least. So I love the halo green the most out of the three. I love that the pupil hole on these lenses are more feathered out, and I love how it blends with my natural light brown eyes. The amber was my second favorite. It's the ones I'm wearing here. I thought I was going to like the amber more than the green, but it's actually the other way. I love the green more than the amber. The amber, to me, it looks up close. It looks like you can tell I'm wearing colored contacts. You guys know I love a really natural blend with my own light brown eyes. So with the halo amber, I feel like you can tell that I'm wearing colored contacts up close, whereas with the green, you can't really tell because it blends very, very nicely with my own light brown eyes. And since the pupil hole is feathered, you can't even really tell. It's a nice blend of green. It's not too bright. I feel like it's very natural colored, so it's a nice blend of light green and dark green. And with the halo amber, it's more of like a reddish brown. Maybe that's why I don't really particularly like them too much. They are pretty, but the reddish brown kind of throws me off, I guess, with my own natural eye color. And for the halo sky, these weren't my favorite. They came off a little bit, well, they came off like grayish blue, but as you guys know, grayish blue contacts, while I like them, they're not my go-to contact lenses. So it's just a personal preference for me that these weren't my favorite. But if you're looking for a nice grayish blue contact lens that's a little bit more on the gray side, then I think you would definitely like these colored contacts. So don't forget to let me know down below in the comments section, which do you want to see a more detailed review on, or if you want me to compare them and contrast them to another pair of Colorcl lenses or any other kind of contact lenses. Definitely let me know in the comment section down below. I've ordered a few pair of contact lenses as well, so I'm going to wait for those to arrive, and as soon as they get here, I'll definitely do a review for you as well. Here is my discount code again, and I'll put a link, a direct link to Colorcl's website, and you can use my discount code if you are interested in getting any lenses. I'll put that all in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out. Again, thank you so much for watching. I am so happy we are now at 2,000 subscribers. Let me tell you who won the giveaway, and I will be having another giveaway with the details in Sunday's video, so make sure you stay tuned for Sunday's video. But let me tell you who won this giveaway. So Poppy Fields is the first giveaway winner. Yay, Poppy. And I'm going to put the second person's name on the screen right here. I don't want to mispronounce it and say it incorrectly. You both have shown so much support to our community and have commented and have supported our channel. And I'm very, very appreciative of that, as well as our community, I'm sure. So give a round of applause to these two. And thank you so, so much for watching. Don't forget to email me so I can get you your contacts right away. And stay tuned for the next giveaway in Sunday's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned for more clips at the end, and I will check you out very soon. Bye!